Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to ACTV. Today I'm here to show you how to cook lamb chop curry the proper Bangladeshi way. I'm gonna make a lovely lamb chop curry, and make sure you watch the whole video, and make sure you do subscribe to my channel. And if you do like my videos, please give it a try. Give me a thumbs up, and yeah, let me know how you make yours, and if you have any recipe, please do let me know any new recipe. Okay, so I have in here 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil with 4 medium size white onion chopped up in there, with garlic and ginger paste, salt to taste. I put 2 tablespoons of salt, and freshly cut lamb chop in there. Mix it all together nicely, and I've put some green cardamom in there, about 4. I've added already 2 sticks of cinnamon stick, 3 bay leaves. So yeah, that's it. Pour this in there now, stir it well, very well, and then put the lid on, cook it for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, that's how it looks. It's all bubbling up, already the color changed. I've got a few green chilies in here ready, and a few chopped tomatoes, and I have my Balti spice paste I'm gonna use in my chops to give it a good taste, good flavor. Okay. And yeah, you are very welcome to let me know if you have any new recipes or anything like that. Okay, I'm gonna add my spices now. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. And then I'm gonna add half a spoon of chili powder to it, because I love my food spicy. And yeah, so I decided I'm gonna put half a tablespoon of chili powder in it, just to give it a little bit, not too spicy. Stir it all very well. Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. So every now and then you have to stir this chop. Okay, already looks lovely. And now I'm gonna put my chopped tomatoes in there. I'm not using any tomato puree or anything like that at all. And so I put my tomatoes in there, and I'm gonna give it a good stir. Okay, now see, I want the tomato to melt, and the tomato juice, the sauce from the tomato, the juice from the tomato, get into the meat, get into the chop, and it's gonna give me good flavor. Look at this. And now I've added some butter paste, 2 tablespoons of butter paste in there. I'm gonna mix it all up nicely. And yeah, I love the butter paste. It's a very nice flavor, and it tastes really nice. Products are normally really good. Yeah, to give it a nice and gentle stir. Make sure it's all mixed up properly. Wow, look at it. So nice. It looks so yummy. Okay. Now I'm gonna put the lid on for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I've added my vegetables in here. I normally use potatoes, but today I'm using a Bangladeshi vegetable called muli, or mula in Bangla. In English, I believe we call it muli. It's a bit like parsnip sort of thing. Yeah. So I normally use potatoes, but today I decided to use something different. I'll mix it all together. Put those green chilies in. just to leave it on the top. You don't need to break them or anything. And if you do break them, the curry might get really spicy. So just leave it there. Now I'm gonna add a jug of water. As you can see, you might think it's too much water, but believe me, it's not. So I put the water just about to cover the tops nicely, because those chops are not soft yet, they're still hard, and I want my chops to be really nice, tendery, and really soft. So after put water and then give it a gentle stir, and then that's it. Put the lid on and carry on cooking on a medium heat. Make sure you don't put the gas up. So leave it on medium heat. Cook all the way through medium heat. Yeah, you don't need to rush. Spend some time cooking when you cook. Don't need to rush. It tastes better if you cook it slowly rather than rushing around. Put the lid on, cook it for half an hour, 40 minutes, and I've got my white rice ready there to go with my lamb chop curry. And yeah, excuse me. Yeah, white rice goes really nice with lamb chop curry. And then half an hour to 40 minutes later, it's been already about 40 minutes now. Now look at it. It looks delicious, bubbling up my lamb chop curry. That's it. And then chuck some chopped up coriander, fresh coriander in it, and then that's it. You're done. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye for now.